Okay, now we're going to make batter for a Kentucky Fried Chicken cologne. And the person that invented the recipe came up with the right number of spices. So let's try it. We're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And I covered my salt this time to try to keep it a little drier. And it's a 2/3 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of dried thyme, 1/3 tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of basil, tablespoon of celery salt, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of dry mustard powder, 4 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, although in this case it's garlic because I don't have garlic salt. A tablespoon of ground ginger. Supposed to be 3 tablespoons of ground white pepper. I don't have that, so that's Adobe. And this is a half a teaspoon of MSG. And then we just mix this all together. Okay, and then we set this aside. We need 1 large egg. A cup of buttermilk, or in my case, a cup of buttermilk substitute. After we've mixed that up, then we put our chicken in the buttermilk egg mixture. It's going to sit in here for about a half hour in the fridge. And that's all we do for now. We'll be back after a half hour or so has elapsed. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the chicken from the buttermilk mixture. And we'll set that aside. Then we're going to take the chicken pieces and coat them with the flour mix. Knock off all the excess. And then we'll coat them a second time. Okay, if we were doing breasts and thighs, that's 15 to 18 minutes, but we're not. We're doing legs, so that'll take 12 to 13 minutes. So I set a timer for 7 minutes, and then we'll look and see if they need turning over at that point in time, and if not, we'll just set it again for another 6 minutes and let them go.
When the chicken is done, we take it out and put it on a cooling rack inside a baking pan so it can drain and the pan will catch the oil. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.